Hello there, welcome to our channel Login again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete contacts on your Telegram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to delete contacts on your Telegram account, first open up our Telegram app. And after opening your Telegram app, the interface will be similar to this, and on the top left corner of your screen you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on that three-lined icon like this, and after that you can see the contact option available over here just below the new group. Tap on contacts, and over here you can see all of your contacts who are available on Telegram, who are your contacts. Now to delete a contact on Telegram, tap and open the chat box of the person whom you want to delete, and tap on their name on the top side of the screen again on the chat, and this kind of interface will open. And on the top left corner of your screen you can see the three dotted icon. Tap on that three dotted icon like this, and you can see the delete contact option available over here just below the edit contact. Now to delete the contact whom you want to delete, tap on delete, and that contact will be deleted from your Telegram account. And then guys, this is how you delete contacts on your Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.